Hi guys, welcome back to Miss Share's Kitchen. Today I'm just going to show you step by step on how to make turkey. So we're going to start by boiling our turkey because I really like it soft so that you can have an easy bite and enjoy your meal. So we are going to use this Benin powder. I actually love this for chicken, or if you're making cabbage, it's one of the spices that I like using. So this has a lot of salt, so we're not going to put salt in our meals. And then we're going to use this Nando's spice, so you guys can use any spice that you like. I'm going to add cayenne pepper and I'm going to boil. After boiling my meat, I'm going to fry. So the meat is now soft and well done, and we're just going to fry until you get the browning color that you want. And and then with that being done, we're just going to cut our onions. After cutting our onions, I'm quickly just going to check on my turkey. Yeah, so it's done, and I'm now removing it from the pan. While I'm doing that, I am going to just cut my greens. Green pepper, red pepper, yellow pepper. Put in a blender. Tomatoes and blend. So we're going back into our frying pan. I removed some of the cooking oil and I'm just going to fry my onion. So this is the shape I wanted to cut my onions so that I can get the proper outcome that I am looking for. So yeah, as we're frying our onions, we're just going to add everything that we blended together because it also needs to cook. Remember, we blended our greens, green pepper, red pepper, yellow pepper, and tomatoes together. So if you have tomato paste, you can also add your tomato paste as you are frying your onions. So as we are cooking, we're just going to add spices so that we also give the sauce a beautiful taste. I'm going to put 7 colors. I love using 7 colors. And then I'm going to put the Nando's spice, cayenne pepper as well. So when I tasted my meat earlier on, I realized the salt was there, but it was not enough. All right, so after mixing the spices, I will be adding salt. I think this part became longer than expected. There we go. The salt part finally arrived. So we're just going to add salt into this mixture. And then once it's well done and cooked, we are going to put our turkey in there. So this also allows it to have a softening layer after frying. And then it also helps with the taste. Guys, this was so delicious. And if you like chili, you can add chili when you're now blending the tomatoes. And then I'm just going to add my shallots. You can put any herb that you like and enjoy at this point. But you know what? We are done cooking, guys. This is ready to serve. It's now time for us to plate and enjoy this delicious meal. We are going to be having it with rice. So I've got rice and coleslaw. And then we're adding our turkey. Guys, please do tell me what you think of this recipe the moment you try it. And tell me if you enjoyed making it. But yeah, anyways, thank you very much for liking, commenting. Please don't forget to share and tell a friend to also come join this wonderful family. Let's get to 1,000, you guys. We are almost there.